Be merciful just as your Father is merciful. Luke chapter 6 verses 26. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. So today I think we should put some respect on ketchup. It has been one of the condiments that everyone uses one way or the other, but we do not respect it. Why is that? Let's make our own homemade ketchup right now. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients for our own homemade ketchup. We'd have some fresh tomatoes, some brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, ginger, garlic, a bit of salt, and some fresh red or white onions. It really depends on you. I also use about a teaspoon of cornstarch as well. I'll list each and every ingredient below in the description box. All right, so to begin with, I would like to put some hot water on my tomatoes. This is because in this recipe we would not be using the skin of the tomatoes, and this is going to help us get rid of it faster. Okay, allow it to sit for about 2 minutes and then go ahead and easily take out the skin, just like so. That was super easy, right? So we're going to go ahead and cut it and also de-seed it because we do not need a seed here as well. And with this recipe, it will also cut your cooking time into 2 if you use simple tomato paste. I've also shared already here how to make your own homemade tomato paste. It has been a long time. I think it's been about a couple of years, but I'm going to link it here. So if you have your own homemade tomato paste, this is going to be so easier. All right, so once I'm done, I'll cut them into smaller pieces like these, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the onions as well, and I'm going to put it in my bowl and I'll allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. So it is very important not to add any additional water. Tomatoes do have their own juices, so we're going to strain off all the juices that we had from the seeding it, and this is going to help us cook our tomatoes very well. This is not just a boring tomato ketchup. I just love to add a little bit of heat and lots of more flavor to it. So I'll go ahead and grate about half thumb size of ginger, and to that I'll also grate about 2 cloves of garlic, depending on how much you love garlic. Okay, for me 2 cloves was just fine. I'll mix everything together and then cover it and allow it to slowly cook and simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so this is about 7 minutes. Just look how beautiful this has been cooked. It's very soft and it's just so nice. It has also gotten lots of more juices, exactly how we want it. And I'm going to go ahead and use my hand blender. You may also use your normal blender, it's very fine. Make sure you blend it to a very smooth paste. All right, I have this hand blender listed on my Amazon storefront. The prices now is really good. You know, there are sales going on, so go grab yours. Very handy. I love it so much. So this is the next stage where you make sure that your result is going to be very smooth and silky. We do not want any kind of fiber flying around our ketchup, right? We want it super smooth, so we're going to strain it with our strainer. All right, and once we are done with that, we're going to add the strained parts back to our pot, and we are going to cook this until it thickens. And as you can see, I save a little bit for later, and to that we're going to add our apple cider vinegar, salt, and brown sugar, and we are going to mix it all up. And the thing is, we need our ketchup, right? But it is so runny, so we want to find ways to make it thicker. And to make that happen, I'll use a teaspoon of cornstarch. You can go ahead and use potato starch. rice starch, any starch that will thicken this up. Okay, so I'm going to add it back in, make sure everything is well mixed and incorporated very well. Allow it to boil for the next 3 minutes. And there you have it. Our ketchup is very nice and thick right now, just like the ones we buy in the stores, and it's just amazing. It tastes so good. Allow it to cool down and just pack it up. The longer it stays at a room temperature, the thicker it becomes. This was so good, fam. Very good. Such a delight to make your own homemade ketchup. Please do try it because you're going to love it. We never know what really goes in the ones that we buy in the store, right? Always good to make homemade things like this. It is so good. My kids love this, and I am always secured about what they are having, right? So there you have it, family. We are done with this amazing tomato ketchup recipe. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family. And also, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.